So in this lesson, we're going to try to send some data over to our server. So the first thing I want to do is, so I'm commenting out that date thing, and I'm going to do echo, and we're going to pick up anything that's within the URI, so equal to name, and all we're doing is now we're just going to simply print that out. So this is going to be the same thing if I go to data.php, and this would just be a typical URI request, a GET request, where I'm going to write hello in there. So we see that all we're doing is whatever's being sent within the URI request, we're outputting it right within our PHP page. So let's set that up, and of course there's a really easy way to do that. We could just do name, and then we could do hello or something like that, and I don't need that second quote because that's breaking out. So we could do something here where we'll create that input type and just have a text type, give it an ID of my text, and maybe I'll just put a default value there. So put a default value of hello. And so what we need to do now is pick that up and put it in a variable. So variable my text, or do it something different there. So pick up that document, get element by ID, and this time we're going to pick up the value from that ID. And now we can make use of it. So I can pick up that one there, and so do you think this is going to work if I add this text in here? So essentially we're sending over that field name. So let's see what happens now. So whenever I do get data, we see that we in fact are sending that over and picking it up. So this just shows you that we do have the ability to make things dynamic within JavaScript. And just simply by adding in this variable here, we do have the ability to pass that over. So now there's another way to pass over data, and that's using post. So far we've just been using get, and it's been really straightforward. But this is maybe not the most ideal way to send sensitive data, as I'm sure you're aware of if you're familiar with HTML, that there is a difference between get and post. So get sends it within the URI, and post sends it within the headers. So it makes it more secure. So in the next lesson, we're going to post to the server instead of just getting to the server. So that's coming up in the next lesson.